I'm just joining as this candidate. Yeah. Yeah, I have admitted her. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Can you
yeah,
hear me?
yeah. Now I can hear you. We were discussing about Chandrapur and all that. What are the places
Yes,
to
sir.
be visited in Chandrapur? That is okay.
Yeah.
Who is the collector of your Chandrapur district?
District Magistrate is Shri Ajay Gulhane. He's
Very
the
good.
collector.
Okay. Now, can you tell me important people, famous people from your place?
Okay.
Living, those who are
M-
living,
yes, sir.
living.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. In the MP of Chandrapur, like he's famous. He is known as Balabhav Dhanorkar, but his name is like Suresh Narayan Dhanorkar. He's
Okay.
the one of the famous person. He comes from Congress party and he has been elected from in the year 2019.
Okay.
Then comes the MLA.
Mm.
MLA is Kishore Georgieva.
Mhm.
Okay, he is also one of the famous person.
Very
Then
good.
we are also yes.
Mm. Excellent. Other famous people from your place, some big personalities.
As I know, like CEO, that is Chief Executive like Officer.
Mm.
She is Methali Sethi.
Okay.
She's in
Yeah. So how will you describe your native place?
native place. So Chandrapur district comes in Nagpur region in the state of Maharashtra. It was founded by Balal Shah Agon king in 13th century. And this Chandrapur is situated at the Zarai and Zarpat river. Chandrapur has a large reserves of the coal and limestone in India. As I said, it has the large reserves of limestone, which is used for manufacturing of the cement. So you can see large plants, cement plants in all over like Chandrapur district. As I said, it has the large reserves of the coal. Chandrapur is also known as the Black Gold City. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now, are there hill stations in Chandrapur or not?
Like hill stations, it is a hilly region. You can see tigers also. Like they are
Forest.
like forest tigers. They are not like put in cage, but they are like you can see them if you travel in the evening. You can see them.
Oh, that's good. That's really nice.
Yeah.
Now we will come to our subject, IT
Yes, sir.
subject. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Now tell me, what are the products you are offering you are dealing with in Tech Mahindra?
Products. Sir, I'm working in a Telenet BBVA. This is a telecommunication based company. So the products which we are using, like we are doing deployments. So for that we are using AWX. So this is one product. And also we are using Oracle product, that is WebLogic. So WebLogic itself handles all the server. Like WebLogic, it is used for monitoring all the servers. Like it keeps here we can check also the health of the status as well. This WebLogic is an Oracle product. Then one more, like in my previous product, I was using Jenkins for deployment.
What is the what are the different languages you have studied?
Sir, in my college, I have learned C, C++, Linux, Java, then also web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. But I have a good hands-on with Unix.
Unix, acha.
Yes, sir.
So which one you will be using in banking? Acha. Vishal Watkar, welcome. There is one more participant. Vishal Watkar, you are also appearing. Acha, your agricultural development. Is it agriculture?
No, sir. I'm from Windows administrator.
Very good. You are from Windows. Excellent. Kindly be with us. And I am discussing with Sangeeta. You also listen to that. And if you have some views on that, you can always tell us. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Sangeeta, now tell me,
Yes,
what are
sir.
the languages you have studied?
So I have studied C, C++, Java, and also have learned Python basics also, but I didn't do any implementation with it. Like I didn't get chance to work on it, but I have had good hands-on with Unix. Also, I've been working with WebLogic. That WebLogic is Oracle product, but this coding of WebLogic is done in Java. So you should have the knowledge of Java to understand the WebLogic as well.
See, you have applied for IT support or network?
IT support.
IT support. In what way is it different from network administrator? In what way your role will be different from a network administrator, and what you will do as an IT support personnel?
Sir, as a IT support, I would be dealing with mostly with hardware and software. I would be, I should have the deep knowledge of hardware and software. The primary task they would give me is installation of hardware, software, also doing updation, patching, and also to monitor and diagnostic why the system is getting failed. And sometime I may need to replace any hardware part. Whereas you said about network administrator, so network administrator, they may be particular CCNA certified people, so they will go to the primary cause of why, if any system in a network or network is failed, then they may check. Like,
Good. You have joined Tech Mahindra.
yes, sir.
After joining Tech Mahindra, have you tried to improve your knowledge by studying some other diploma or what are they?
Like Techem itself, it provide Udemy platform where you can learn and also you can get certified. So like whatever the technologies I was like working on, I always try to learn that technology. Like if you have good hands-on and you are learning, you will get a good, like it will sit in mind. So I learned Unix also have done not certification, but whatever courses there, Udemy course, I have done Unix course, like Java course also have completed, and some basics software engineering courses will be there that I have learned. And also we are working on cloud nowadays. So some cloud courses are also there to under basic understand the things. So that also I'm doing.
So in banking, we'll be using cloud or what?
Cloud like in banking, maybe they used to store the data virtually, like where are the large resource of the data is there. Maybe that place
though I have worked in bank and though I am moving, discussing about banks and all, I'm not sure where do they store the data. Do you have any idea about it? If possible, try to get some ideas about it. Where their data is stored. Yesterday, I was raising a question to a candidate about what is the source of their internet. Their source of internet is only the internet service providers like BSNL and also Airtel, etc. And from where the internet is generated? From where? Somebody was telling it must be some from USA or some. Do you have any idea about from where the internet is starting?
Basic internet is like they are putting the big broadband cables which are put deep inside the seas.
Correct. Like from where who is starting it? Is it the only one that is being done by?
No, sir. It's like a big organization. Internet is actually free of cost. When what cables they are putting inside deep inside the seas and what they are putting, but just charges they are putting just to transfer within this region itself. But actually the internet is free. It's free.
In fact, I have just raised a question in history of the web. Who invented web? Who invented web?
No, sir.
No idea.
No.
History of the web. Sir Tim Berners-Lee is the British computer scientist. He was born in London and his parents were early computer scientists working on one of the earliest computers. No, we have another person with us. If he has some ideas, we can get to know from him also. Yeah, Mr. Vishal, do you have any idea about this very odd question? अभी हम लोग सब कुछ काम इंटरनेट में करते हैं. ये इंटरनेट कहां से आते हैं? Who is generating it? Vishal, are you with us?
Yes.
Yes, it very base, very tough question I have asked. It's like asking from where the sun is coming. So,
So as per my understanding, internet all over the world, I think it is interconnection of the all the networks from the ISPs, from mostly the ISPs, which are
कहाँ
interconnected between all the given
ओके
facilities.
ISP करेक्ट फ्रॉम ISP को कहाँ से आता है हेलो
Yes, yes, I'm able
internet
to hear you.
internet is generated internet is generated I will put it like this where does internet come from the internet is in your pocket right continue with without disabling yeah internet is in your pocket right but also in the air and your phone line the internet comes from somewhere but where and why can't we make our own super question I am giving the link for this in our telegram page I'm sorry I have asked you question which you will not be getting in internet in the interview 100% they won't ask this such silly questions but फिर भी आप इसको पढ़ने से आपको थोड़ा आइडियाज मिलेगा ठीक है
Yes, sir.
yeah now we will come to general questions or what we are doing can you tell me what is BIOS BIOS
BIOS stand for basic input output system. Whenever you start a computer, the first program which runs is the BIOS. BIOS is mainly responsible for loading the hardware and also used for booting the operating system. BIOS is nothing but a chip on like a chip on a motherboard.
excellent
That's what.
what is the experience you have or you possess in the technical support field
Like for this job,
yeah
you're saying, sir?
yeah
For this, like I can do installation as well as patching update.
one thing
Okay.
the same
Okay.
the answers you are going to give for this will be similar to this question. What experience do you possess? Next question, why should we select you? Next question,
Okay.
what way do you think are you fit for this job? For all these questions, more or less same answers only. Tell me what is the answer you would like to give? What experience do you possess that makes you suitable for this post?
So I'm having a good knowledge working with production development, like working with day-to-day problems.
Mm.
So I would like I'm responsible for handling the customer as well.
Mm.
So when it comes to bank, we have to contact with the customer as well. There I can handle it.
Mhm.
And
Good. That's right. Now we have another guy, so we will make use of him also. Vishal,
Yes, sir.
can you please tell me what you are applying for Windows administrator post, correct?
Yes.
Now, are you working? Which company are you working?
So presently, I'm currently working with Reserve Bank Information Technology, which is founded by RBI, Central
Acha,
Bank.
acha. You are working
So-
in RBI?
No, it's Reserve Bank Information Technology. It's a subsidiary of RBI. It's not RBI.
Acha, acha.
It is founded by the RBI for the information technology and cyber security requirements of the central bank.
Acha, 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 acha. Why are you jumping from there to this place? Because this is a छोटा बैंक वो तो आप तो बड़ा बैंक का सब्सिडरी में है आपको तलब कम मिलता है ना क्या
Sorry, sir, I can't get your question.
I don't know are you why are you jumping from that subsidiary to Bank of Maharashtra is it for job that your salary structure is low in your subsidiary
Not like that, not because of the salary structure, but our job, I think my job consists of is a contractual agreement. It's
oh
not
so
yeah,
that is
permanent.
that is the basic question yeah In fact, many of the people who are joining from Bharat Electronics Limited and all that, all of them are in a contract job. So you are coming. So you tell that openly that I am on a contract job. I would like to settle into a permanent job. Okay. That is why I'm coming here.
But is there any problem like if I tell them like I have only the contract job, then
No, nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. You can be in a
Okay.
contract job. You can come to a permanent job. And the reason why you joined contract job earlier was that you wanted to get some employment immediately. You were not willing to keep yourself idle. So you joined. So that is correct. Now tell me, you are applying for this Windows. What makes you think you are suitable for this post?
So, sir, as per the job description, which I have gone through the Bank of Maharashtra
Mm,
career website,
Yeah.
so it basically transforms what I am doing currently,
Mm,
and I can contribute more on the Bank of Maharashtra side. Like, so I'm doing the server migration, I'm doing server installation
mm,
as per the industry standard or as per the central bank guidelines
mm,
and as per the ISO process.
mm.
So that is one of the point which I can uh, tell them to. So I have that point in my
Mhm.
bucket. Also, I am involving various projects related to the cyber security, like hardening of the servers,
Mhm.
hardening of the IT infrastructure. So that is one of the best point I can highlight.
Very good.
So these are the 2-3 points which I can mention.
Yeah. Now coming to Sangeeta, please tell me, what do you understand by routing? What is routing?
Routing.
Routing,
So
routing,
you-
routing.
routing. Routing is the functionality which works on network layer. Routing is performed by the router. Routing means here you are maintaining a table, how the data packet is going to transfer when you are transferring it from sender to receiver. It will just maintain a table.
What is the key advantage of using switches?
Advantage.
What is the key advantage of using switches? When a switch receives a signal, it creates a frame out of the bits that were extracted from that signal. With this process, it gains access and reads the destination address, after which it forwards that frame to the appropriate port. This is a very efficient means of data transmission instead of broadcasting it on all ports.
Okay.
That's what it is. I may not be able to explain this, but this is what it is.
Okay, I got it, sir.
Can you tell me what is a window?
Window. Window is an operating system.
Hmm.
Like Unix, Windows is also an operating system. Here, operating system is an interface between the user computer, user and computer. So it will show, it will show to the user whatever input it is getting from the hardware.
No,
So you can say Windows is the heart of the computer system.
that was Windows. I am asking window.
Do you mean in frame
Ah,
transmission
correct,
window?
correct. A window
Okay,
refers to number of segments that are allowed to be sent
okay. Yes,
from
I can
source
say.
destination. Tell me.
Okay. Sir, Windows, Windows we are using in frame transmission. Windows are maintained at sender side as well as receiver side.
Super.
Okay. So
You are
okay,
told,
like,
you understand that. Very good. Sufficient.
yes, sir.
Now, which LAN switching method is used in Cisco? Are you aware of Cisco? No.
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 No, sir.
You are not studied that. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay. I need
Then
to study.
that will not be asked. What is boot P? Have you heard about the term boot P? No? If you have not heard, leave it. Boot P is the protocol which is used to boot diskless workstations connected to the network. It is a short form of boot protocol. Diskless workstations use boot P in order to determine its own IP address as well as the IP address of the server PC. Maybe it is something going beyond your this thing. Let me ask some other simple questions. Okay. Yeah, 1 minute. So what makes you think you are more suitable for this post, Sangeeta? Hello, Sangeeta is there or not? I think our connection has got cut. Sangeeta, are you there with us now?
Hello, sir.
Sangeeta, I think your line got cut or so, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir. I came
Okay.
just now.
Just now, yeah. Sometimes they can pose you questions like this. What is the most frustrating support issue you have been called to resolve? I asked you in a different way earlier. Can you try this now?
Okay.
What is the most frustrating support issue you have been called to resolve?
Mm,
Hello. The question,
yes, sir.
the answer they have
Yes.
given is a good candidate will demonstrate that they overcame their frustration and handled the situation with a professional attitude. It is important that system administrators do not express annoyance when supporting
Okay.
employees who rely on them to solve a variety of technical difficulties. So now you can recollect some of the problems you had while working in your present assignment, and from
Yes.
there you can explain about it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why
Yeah.
would you not? Yeah, can you try?
Yeah. So once there was an issue in which we were not able to find out the error. We were not knowing why the server is going down. So it was a production server. So it like we have to solve that within the 4 hours. So this went to the escalation also. But at that time, like our manager, she was there. She took us everyone on a call. Okay, and she started explaining the different threads which are responsible for following the server. So she also gave us some like files where we can check it. Then we had gone through it, everyone checked different files. Then I was through that file. I got to came to know what is the main thread which was causing the server to fail. So I was the one who was able to find out at that time.
Excellent.
And
Good.
also received appreciation from the manager from this.
Excellent. Good. Now, what experience do you have with hardware components?
Like hardware component, as of now we don't work on any hardware in my project. I don't have any hardware.
Yeah, you don't have any. But if you tell like that, doesn't look nice na. थोड़ा तो जानते हैं बताना है.
Okay.
So यहाँ पर दिया है only candidates with proficient experience installing and replacing hardware components should be considered, as this is an operation which will frequently be performed by system administrators. आपका job role में ये hardware से deal करना होगा नहीं होगा?
Like it was written you should have any software or hardware 1 year experience, any 1 year.
That's
Either
all.
software or either hardware. It was
आपको क्या experience है? Software.
like a software experience.
Software experience. Software
Actually,
का
sir, they are asking for Windows administrator. I had gone through like training. We also got training for 1 month for Windows administrator, but I didn't work on that. So like I'm not that confident enough. So I'm not saying anything that I had gone through that training.
Oh.
So like this.
No. Actually, there is no definite answer, correct answer or wrong answer. But yes, whatever you say, it must give them a feeling that you are interested in joining the bank. You have the ability to perform well to suit the requirements. That is what is required. Because whatever it is, if when we ask, the question will be new for us. But still,
okay, sir,
you must be able to tell them, create a feeling in their mind that you are interested in joining. But if you tell them, I think they may not ask this question. Do you have any experience with hardware? Or you would have told initially itself that you have experience only in hardware, correct?
Yeah.
Let us take. What is the difference between LDAP and Active Directory?
I know what is Active Directory. Active Directory is like a central location for everything. Here we can store all the necessary information, which are related to the database. All the necessary information is located in one place in Active Directory. This is known as Active Directory.
The answer given, candidate should be able to tell that LDAP or Lightweight Directory Access Protocol is a standard protocol for querying and modifying entries in a directory service. Active Directory is a directory service implemented by Microsoft, and it supports the LDAP protocol among others. That's what they have given.
Okay, sir.
Doesn't matter. सब पढ़ना तो मुश्किल है, इसलिए हम बोलते हैं आप गूगल का अंदर में जाइए.
सर आप ये वाला आंसर कहाँ से मिला आपको? ये वाला I have learned Active Directory, but I didn't get this LDAPs anywhere.
अभी दे रहा हूँ. betterteam.com.
Okay, sir.
betterteam.com. I am giving the link in our website or in our Telegram also. Whatever I am giving, I try to give it wherever in our Telegram, so that if you go through the links, you will form an idea what is the answer that we can tell you about this. Okay, good.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me, what are your hobbies? Sangeeta.
Okay. Yes, sir. In my spare time, I would like to do gardening. Gardening in terms of, I would I like to grow veggies in my balconies, also in front of my house. I've also grown different veggies like cucumber, brinjal, and some leafy vegetables like palak. And yes, sir. And growing these trees from scratch and letting them grow too big, makes me happy.
Very good. So when the plant grows, you get happiness, correct?
Yes, sir.
Supposing same way, when the plant grows dried, आपका मन में क्या लगेगा?
I may feel little sad also.
Yeah. Do you have experience?
I feel that something is incomplete.
Do you have experience of having pets and all in your home?
No, not pets. I don't.
Very good. Now, what is your father, you said? Sorry, you told me, I forgot.
He's a farmer.
How many siblings do you have?
I have, I comes in a family with 6 members, my father, mother. I have 2 elder sisters and 1 younger sister.
Super.
I'm the third one.
All are sisters.
Yes, sir.
All are girls. Good. Is your parents feeling bad that they are not having a son?
Maybe when I was small, they used to think, but now we are grown, they don't say anything.
Very good.
Because
so now
everyone is doing good.
Yeah, now after all women have equal rights over properties, etc. And women also should take care of their parents. Right now, I am with my daughter only here. Not that I cannot go and stay with my son in America. But comfort-wise, this is good. Very good. Last question. Role model. Who is your role model?
My role model is my mother, actually, because she motivates me in every task. Even though she didn't learn or anything, she didn't go to school also, she understands us. Even if I say her my exam is there or anything is there, she motivates us, and she won't allow us to do any household works. She does that if my exam is there, anything is there, she gives her lots of time to me.
Good. Otherwise, normally, do you help your mommy at home?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I help her.
Good. If you tell like that, it will be very good. Best wishes. You have done well, and you be preparing for more based on whatever the links I have provided and new links you get. And if you come across a new link, please share it in our group also.
Okay, sir.
This one sees Cisco, one boy has sent it, but that may not be required for everybody. Anyhow, I will share it in the group. Very good. Thank you.
I want to know what I should learn regarding banking. I don't know
banking. You please stay with us some more time. I will ask some questions to others also. And you can see my other videos where I have asked questions. Basically, banking mein kya hai?
KYC.
No. What is bank? It is useful for others also. What is a bank? What are the functions of banks? What is RBI? What are the functions of RBI?
Okay, sir.
What is deposit? What is advances? Types of deposits, types of advances. Then comes what
Okay.
is KYC, what is eKYC, electronic KYC.
Okay, sir.
Then what are digital services rendered by banks.
Okay.
Then what is famous question is debit card, credit card. What is the difference between a debit card and credit card?
Okay, sir.
Other than that, other very tough questions like recovery of NPA, etc., they may not ask you.
Okay, sir.
But I found in a recent substaff to clerical promotion in Bank of Baroda, Bob, they have asked such a tough question and all. So many tough questions they have asked. Yeah, Bank of Baroda questions, I found them really difficult. Why are we encouraging mobile banking? What is your answer for this?
Mobile banking.
Hmm.
Because maybe a computer or internet computer everyone cannot prefer it. Also, it is not possible for everyone to visit the branch every time. So mobile banking is a place where you can send an OTP to bank and task can be done.
Good. No, but
So
why
it may saves time.
why bank is interested in doing it?
Bank.
Okay, let us try. Vishal, do you have an answer for this? Why banks encourage mobile banking, internet banking and all?
Maybe,
So,
sir, one more.
Vishal, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, mobile banking is I think, is for the customer benefit. Like they can anytime, anywhere, 24/7, it's available. Banking systems are available. So that is a one plus point for the customer, and they can have a more number of customers by using this internet banking and mobile banking kind of application.
My question is, what is the advantage for the bank? There is nothing happening.
Employees, there is an employee load can be reduced.
Exactly. The cost incurred for getting the transactions will come down. See, normally when you go to a bank branch and take the cash and all, it is said that 70 rupees is to be incurred for that. Whereas when it is done through your mobile and all, it costs only 1 rupee. Samajh gaya, Sangeeta?
Yes, sir.
Could you
Yes,
follow?
sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir, I got it.
Just a halfway
Yeah.
question. Very nice. Thank you for your interview. Stay on with us if you are interested. I'll be going
Yes, sir.
over to your performance was good only. Don't worry. You will do well.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Vishal, shall we start? And if this interview, if this Zoom comes down, ends in between, we will re-continue Vishal. Are you ready, Vishal?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Vishal, can you please tell us about yourself? आपका बारे में बताइए.
Yes.
So would you
So
like to take up
switch on my
English or Hindi?
Should I switch on my video?
Not
No, English is fine.
You know, if you are, many people don't switch off their video because they won't like themselves to be seen by others when I put it in YouTube. So
Okay.
it is okay, you continue like, but if you are otherwise a bold person, like one girl I had from somewhere, she has openly, you must have seen that video also, correct?
No, I haven't seen any videos, so I just gone through your Telegram group.
बहुत कुछ videos hai where girls come, boys have come. One Aditya Sharma is there. And if you are confident, you can put it, but some people have objection. My existing company people should not know about it. So many problems they have. Isliye, if you don't want, don't put it. Answer them properly. Okay.
Okay.
You can see me. You can see me and you can answer. Now tell me, Vishal, about yourself. But yeah, tell, nothing wrong. Tell.
I'm Vishal Wadkar.
Don't tell the name of the company where you are working. Are you working now?
Yes, I'm presently working.
Don't tell the name of the company. I'm working in an IT company, something like that you said, and go ahead. Come on.
Myself, Vishal Wadkar. I'm currently working in XYZ IT company and my total years of experience is around 9 years and 6 months in the IT industry. So my work profile includes in current organization, I'm doing server maintenance, server installation, configuration of virtual machines.
Mhm,
Virtual machines include the Hyper-V, Microsoft Hyper-V products,
mhm,
as well as VMware virtualization.
mhm.
So basically, that includes migration of physical servers
Mm.
to virtual servers,
Mm.
having Windows operating system, as well as some of the systems using the Linux OS operating system.
Mhm.
Uh, Apart from that, I'm involving various projects like antivirus, Trend Micro antivirus migration. Uh, Also, I have been working with a DLP, data loss prevention system
Mm.
in a banking environment. Also, I'm managing the overall team size of 5 people.
Mhm.
So basically, I'm managing the team. So which they are working as a L1 support, and I'm above them. So providing the L2 or most problematic solution. I came to after the L1 support. If they are not able to resolve the issues, then the issues come to me for the direct escalation for
Good.
any operating system related issues or any other software or any other related issues in the banking environment.
Yeah.
Also,
What are
yeah,
Windows administrative tools?
so Windows administrative tools are basically uh, in the server environment. I have an Active Directory which maintains the catalog of the various objects and users, as well as various policies we are configuring in
Mm.
the Active Directory. That is one of the tool in
Mm.
the Microsoft Windows, as
Mhm.
well as we are using the ITSM, which is the IT management tool, which is used for the ticketing purpose. Like if any customer or any user client having some issues, so they can raise their issues in the portal, and the query can be resolved by the administrator.
Mhm.
That is another tool. Also, one more tool is regarding the patching.
Mhm.
So as you can see, there are various cybersecurity risks around, and various hackers are involving in the system breakthrough. So
Mm.
patching is one of the necessary point at this moment. Like for 5 to 10 years, there have been various security risks found in various systems. So Windows is one of the system which is having various patches released every month on second Tuesday. Windows Microsoft are releasing the patches. So for better patch management, we have the patching tool. So we basically test the patches and then deploy in the production environment.
So
So
what is
we
the Windows has come out with 11 now, na? Windows 11.
so
So
Windows 11 is a client operating system. So
mm,
basically used for the laptop, desktop,
mhm,
so endpoint kind of thing. So that is Windows 11 is there. So
mm,
Windows 10 was previously, uh, and now also Windows 10 is mostly using, the clients are using Windows 10 only. So
mhm. No,
Windows 11 is new generation
in
version.
bank branches, the systems will be with Windows 11 or Windows 10.
So currently Windows 10 will be there because Windows 11 is not fully tested by the Microsoft yet. They are not released at a large scale. So it's a beta version.
Mhm.
So they can't get into the production right now.
Oh,
So after the testing and all this stuff gets
yeah. But of course,
go ahead.
for individual people like us, they have released it, and I
Yeah, we can use it, but in the
but
banking environment currently, we can't use this system as
mhm.
it is not tested for the application compatibility and all other things.
Have you come to
So,
know of the developments that have been made in Windows 11 as compared to Windows 10?
sir, Windows 11 is basically the
Mm,
graphical interface is different than the Windows 10.
mm,
So it is more like the Apple side,
mm,
Mac side. It is
mm,
basically that difference. Also, the security which Windows 10 is having, Windows 11 is having the upper hand
mhm,
in the security point of view, because
mhm,
there are various loopholes in earlier operating system
mm.
that Microsoft tried to resolve in the Windows 11. So
Acha.
that is one of the critical point.
Now your role comes only inside the bank, that is not, you are not anyway connected with the internet and all that. You are connected only with the particular system with which you are dealing, or what? How do you define your role?
So my role basically will play like inside the bank only, because the bank will have its own data center and its branches. So maintaining those branches and data center, headquarter data center and servers of the bank system. So my role will be limited to that only. So I cannot control others, other server or other provider, other bank servers. So
No,
my
you
role will
you
be
have no
limited to that
connection
only.
with servers and all that, no?
No, means not with the banking environment,
Hmm.
only for the, I mean, local,
Yeah.
like own data center. Private is kind of private data center. It's not hosted on the public
Very good.
side.
Now, you have been working in a private sector for the last over 9 years. What
Mhm.
makes you think it wise to jump over to private, bank?
So one of the thing which I can highlight is that the bank provides a very good opportunity in terms of the stability. That is the
Mm,
first point. And
mm,
second point is nowadays banking sector is
mm,
going through various digitization.
mm,
It is going through various technologically they have evolved. Banking
mm,
system has evolved and new systems
mm,
are there. So there is a possibility that in the banking sector we will get to know the more thing or more growth in
mm,
terms of the technical aspects.
mm,
So what is the in the industry currently running? So
mm,
banking system will have to be uh, upper hand in
mm.
terms of the technology. So
Acha.
that point we can I mean I will get to know all the things from the banking domain.
So how many people have been called for this interview, Windows?
So there are around 20 people.
So how many vacancies are there?
Well,
12 vacancies. Acha, acha, acha.
yes.
Good. Are you willing to relocate yourself anywhere?
Yes, sir, I'm ready to relocate. That is not a problem for me.
You are a married person?
Yes, I'm married and I'm having one child.
Acha. Your wife is working?
No, she is a housewife.
Oh, sorry.
Currently, she's a housewife because she was earlier having a teacher's job.
Mhm,
She was a teacher in science college,
mhm,
and after our baby, like girl child,
mhm.
so she had to quit the job, and now, so my baby turns now 1 year old. So
Mm.
we're trying for, I mean, after 3 to 4 years, she can try.
She can go for a job. Good, good,
Yeah.
good. Yeah, excellent. Anytime this will come to an end, then we will restart again after about say 5 minutes. I will come after 5 minutes. Vishal,
Okay.
Sangeeta, Sanam, and we will come after 5 minutes and we will start and then continue with Vishal. Sangeeta, you can be observing. If you want, you can come. Otherwise, you don't have to come. No problem. Attend the interview. Send me the list of questions after the interview is over. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes.